1 and 2. Now over here you see the second row that we did, again the pedal. Now we have to do again before the pedal. There is 1 flower petal. If you want, like I said, you can hold the pedal so it doesn't tangle it, or you can just leave like that. This cotton thing, the cotton thread, it's a little thick because of the thread. Otherwise, my thread that when you work, you really don't have to. So now this is my third row. Now you bend down this. This is the first row, it's finished. This is the second row that we did. Now we are on a third row. So you third row, you bend down the second one for you to see, second and the first. There is only 1 seeds in the back. So you just hold it. You don't have to bend it, just make a seeds as long as you see what you're doing. See, there is a seeds in the front, in the back. That's 1. And then the other one is in here, next to the second row one. Okay? The third row, I should say. Yeah, second row. So now we tighten it up. We fix those threads. And now we go in the same hole and you make another pedal. So you'll see already automatically, there you go. There is 1 row. And how you can count your rows when you are doing it. You start from the beginning here, you go 1, 2, 3. It means this is the third row. That's how you will know how many lines you did. Because sometimes you go round and round and you don't know. Wherever you started, it starts from 2 or 3, right? And then when you count, whichever you count, you can tell if they all even the rows. So now you go again to the regular seeds. And now you're going to see that the seeds are getting tighter and tighter. There you go. Here we go. How many now we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now we have 7 left. So now this is next to the seeds. Again, I go next to the seeds, make a little pedal. Always make sure you hold tight and you pull it. And then you, in the same hole you go, you make a pedal. Now I have to pull my thread. Always make sure that your thread are always adjusted so you won't tangle it together. Okay, there you go. I will shorten it. Now those 2 I will want to bend it for you to see. There is a little seeds here. You go in the small seeds and you make another small seed. And then you go behind, from the thread always stays behind, of course. You go to the next. Pull this up like this. And make sure that you don't keep it such a big seeds. You make sure that they are like even. Because when you finish it, you want to see the same size. Bigger it gets, like over here, let me show you. Do you see here? The bigger the box gets, inside the seed should be the same size as inside. They have to be all even and equal. Have to be good proportion. So now we are on the third line. We go again over here and we make another seeds. Okay, so this is the way you do. It's not difficult. I'm sure you got that. I'm gonna go 1 more row and then I'm gonna show you how do we close it. So this is the box, or maybe I can show you now. Okay, I'm gonna cut it again because we have to pretend we're going round, but because we're not doing that, it's gonna take time. So I just cut it in a small needle point, needle lace. All right, this is now, it's gonna be the 4th line. So when we go again, seeds like this. Now this is the flower petal. Before that, we're gonna make another petal, flower petal. There you go. We're almost finished. Let me put this away so the black color will show better. Okay, now you see over here, now the seeds in the back, it's growing. There is one seed and two seeds, and now it's gonna be third seed. There you go. See, from outside the seeds are getting closer and smaller, but the big one, the back part, we're getting more seeds now. And these seeds are gonna come up and cover it, and it's gonna look very nice. Here. All right, this is which row it is. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're gonna do again regular seed. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And this is the next to the flower petal. It's the 6th one. And now we're gonna make the flower petal. There you go. This is, you continue, and you can do, like I said, no matter how big you want to make the beehive or how small you want to do, you'll stop. See, like this is already small beehive it came. I can continue and make it even wider and wider. What I mean, like the beehive go bigger and bigger, but because I don't have enough space here, I'm just showing you in a little material. So I'm gonna stop here. Let's take this thread away from it. Oh, I went to the wrong place. Okay, here is the last one in the same hole, the same seed. There you go. Now we have 4. I cannot go more further because I don't have space anymore. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to close it and I'm going to show you how you do it. So this is the last seed. Let me do this. There. And then you'll continue. Just like I said, we continue. If from the beginning, if we did 10 and 1 seeds, 10 seeds and, 10 seeds, 1 flower petal, 10 seeds, 1 flower petal, 10 seeds, 1 flower petal. It goes round and round, and you're going to see so many and so beautiful. Now I'm going to cut this, and I'm going to show you how do you close it. Let me take another thread over here. It's going to be very interesting. You're going to love to do this. There you go. Well, I was going to fold it, but it's good. All right. Now, I'm going to show you how you are going to close it back. So, now, I'll go to the same place, to the beginning. Okay. Now, it's already, this is the last one, but I'm not going to, I'm not going to do another flower petal. So, I'll go in the back. Of course, when I started, the seeds are small. If I started, it's going to be in the middle, the thread, just like this. See? Now I go behind, do little seed, regular seed. Now, because I'm going to close the beehive, so what do? Right here, next to it, from behind, when I come in, I have to do flower petal. So now we're going to close the box. We're going to close the beehive. So this is 1 stitch, 1 petal like this. Make sure that other petals, you don't tighten them up so they can stay outside. And then we do regular seeds. That's 1. That's 2. And now I'm next to the petal, so what do? I go in the same hole, the same seeds, and I make a petal, flower petal. This is a little too small came, so I open it back, and I'll make it a little bigger. There you go. So now you see over here, this was the V shape it is, and now we're gonna make it cover the box. Now from the back, there's no stitches anymore, no seeds. I'll go next to it and I will just do regular seed. No more petals outside. Outside we don't do it anymore. We'll just do inside. Now these ones, and when we do this, it starts to get again back to the same size, 10 or whatever 9 we started, same seeds will come out again. Now I'm gonna do regular seed. I will show you until we finish, so this way you will know what am I talking